Hey there! Tired of the same old seafood dishes? Today, I'll show you how to make an incredible Korean spicy baby octopus. That'll blow your mind. This Nakji Bokkeum is packed with bold flavors and just the right amount of heat. Trust me, once you try this, it'll become your new favorite Asian dish. You'll find all the ingredients in the description below. Let's dive into this mouth-watering recipe. First things first, let's get our baby octopus ready. If yours is frozen, you'll want to defrost it completely. If it's not pre-cleaned, you'll need to remove the insides of the head and the beak. This might sound a bit daunting, but it's quite simple. Just make a small cut at the base of the head and gently pull out the insides. For the beak, squeeze the area where the tentacles meet and pop it out. Once that's done, give the octopus a good rinse under cold running water to make sure it's nice and clean. Now, let's move on to the marinade, which is where all the magic happens. In a large bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of Korean chili paste, also known as gochujang, with 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. Add in 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 5 cloves of chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of roasted sesame seeds, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Mix everything together until you have a smooth, rich paste. This marinade is going to give our octopus that signature spicy and slightly sweet Korean flavor. If you like it extra spicy, feel free to add a bit more gochujang. Once your marinade is ready, it's time to introduce it to the star of the show, the baby octopus. Add the octopus to the bowl and make sure each piece is well coated with the marinade. You want to let it soak up all those flavors, so cover the bowl and let it marinate in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. If you have more time, up to 2 hours is even better. This step is crucial for tenderizing the octopus and infusing it with all those delicious flavors. While the octopus is marinating, let's get our vegetables ready. Take a red onion and slice it into medium-sized pieces. The onions will add a nice sweetness and a bit of crunch to our dish. If you want to add more veggies, bell peppers or zucchini would be great options. Just make sure to slice them similarly so they cook evenly. Now, let's get cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a pan or wok over medium-high heat. Once the oil is hot, add the sliced red onions. Sauté them for about 2 to 3 minutes until they start to soften and become translucent. You'll notice a lovely aroma filling your kitchen, which is always a good sign that things are going well.
And if you want to improve your recipes, I'll share a little secret with you. The non-stick pan I use is great for all kinds of dishes. It's the one that helps me achieve those delicious results. If you're interested, you'll find the link in the description. You'll be surprised by the difference.
Next, it's time to add our marinated baby octopus to the pan. Stir-fry everything together for about 2 to 3 minutes. You want to make sure the octopus is well coated with the sauce and that it cooks evenly. The octopus should turn a beautiful pinkish color and become tender. Be careful not to overcook it, as it can become rubbery. To finish off, let's season and garnish our dish. Add 1 teaspoon of salt to the pan and mix well to ensure everything is evenly seasoned. For a bit of extra flavor and a pop of color, garnish with some sesame seeds and freshly chopped spring onions. This will add a nice crunch and a fresh, vibrant touch to the dish. Finally, it's time to serve up our delicious Korean spicy baby octopus. You can enjoy it on its own, but it pairs wonderfully with a side of steamed rice or noodles to soak up all that flavorful sauce. Serve it hot and enjoy the delightful combination of spicy, sweet, and savory flavors.